That's nice. Go ahead. Okay, Mr. Bebop. Come on. Okay. Yeah. What's the topic?
Haters.
Oh, here we go. Said we talk about haters as we sit in BK. Said we talk about haters from around the way. Haters from back in the day. Haters make me rhyme this way. I said the haters inspired me to get quite dope. The haters inspired me to write the rhymes I wrote. The freestyle off the top of my head. I said the haters that I used to wish would be dead. But now I don't give them energy. I don't let them take my time. I don't let them rest in my mind. They won't live in my head. Said paying no rent, and so my ride to where I am is no coincidence. Said people will hate and people will love and